Come on in.
Hello, hi everybody. I'm Kim A. Miles, broker with Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm here at 2181 Yonge Street, Unit 2801. That's a bit of a tongue twister if you say it fast enough. So, we're located at Yonge and Eglinton. We're super close to everything. I mean, like the subway, the future LRT. We've got the Yonge Eglinton Center on the corner. Well, you're going to see, and I'll talk more about it. So in the meantime, this is a one bedroom, one bathroom, gorgeous, 667 total square footage of this beautiful condo. As I said, we're high, we're on the 28th floor. We have a gorgeous view and a beautiful balcony. So why don't we start with the kitchen? So here we are. I want to tell you that my client is an original owner, and he has lived here since the beginning, and he's maintained this unit he's kept it in immaculate condition. Everything has been fully maintained. There's some upgrades here. We've got Brazilian cherrywood floors. That's an upgrade, and they're really beautiful. And we're in the kitchen now. So we've got beautiful granite counters. Of course, we have stainless steel appliances. So we've got a nice double fridge and freezer, microwave over the stove, stainless steel stove, and a built-in dishwasher. So come with me. So let's take a look at these gorgeous floors. I love these floors. They're very interesting because they've got like different shades of the cherrywood, different lengths of the actual wood. If you can see over here, like it's a bit of a pattern, like they're really nice. It's lighter over here, so there's a bit of character in these floors. So when you look through the unit, we have a beautiful view. We have actually a southeast view from the balcony. So come with me. Tell me what you want to see first. You want to see the balcony, or you want to see, yes, okay, let's go see the balcony. And you know what I love? I love that this is an angled window. So the window's on an angle, which is really kind of cool. So come outside with me. Oh, I should have brought my sunglasses. Oh well. Here we are.
Wow, look at that view.
It's a great view. I hope you guys aren't afraid of heights because we're up on the 28th floor. And we've got a beautiful panoramic southeast view. It's a bit hazy today, so we really can't see the lake. The lake is directly where I'm pointing. You can see the eastern part of the city, some of the high-rise buildings. We're overlooking Davisville Village neighborhood, and you've got condos here on the left. So we're facing southeast. So this is south here, and this is east.
And the terrace?
And we're kind of high up, but it's okay. Very private out here. Like I could just imagine, sitting in one of these Muskoka chairs, having a glass of wine, looking at my beautiful flowers and my beautiful white picket fence. So it's very nice. And you know what else I like? I like that there's glass here. So you've got glass instead of like the balcony railing. You can see through it. So like you're getting light. The unit is really bright. So come with me. We're going to go back inside. I see the end user of this unit being a single person, maybe a couple, probably a first-time buyer. It's just perfect for one person, I think. And let's step into the bedroom. Brazilian hardwood floors throughout the bedroom. Really cute. So you're in the bedroom, and again, you've got that beautiful light. You're overlooking your balcony. You can see your flowers. We've got a nice big closet. I'm just going to close this door. Mirrored closet. Let's take a peek. I know my client is neat. Wow, look at that. He's amazing. Very organized. Beautiful. So we've got two sides to this very large closet. Just to let you know, we have parking and locker. So if you need extra storage, we definitely have it here. And he's got very good taste, as you can tell. So let's go back into the main area. So the maintenance fees are actually quite reasonable, around $492, and it includes everything except your hydro and your water. So those are separately metered. So if you don't use a lot of hydro, that's great because you're going to get a great big bill or anything like that. What I like about this unit These doors are nice and solid, thick doors. We don't see that a lot in condos. This is a well-built building by Minto. It's called Quantum South. Nice solid doors. Here's our washer dryer. It's a condo-sized Moffat washer dryer. As you can see, there's room for more storage. I like these storage bins here. These are really cool. Look at that. He's got his slippers in there. So you've got room. You can put some brooms in here. He's got his ironing board. Towels are folded up. A very, very efficient use of space here. And now let's go into the little bathroom. The bathroom is themed with Blondie, and I'm wearing my Blondie 80s outfit today, just in case you didn't notice. Madonna or Blondie, but there's Blondie there in the bathroom. There she is. So it's a three-piece. So we don't have a bathtub here, we have a shower, and that was my client's choice. But you know, I'm finding now a lot of buyers don't really want bathtubs. People don't take baths like they used to. So the shower is really nice. Nice upgraded stone countertop, undermount sink, the same tile floors as you have in the kitchen. The taxes here are around $2,500 a year. It's an amazing building, has fantastic amenities. They have a state-of-the-art gym that was just recently renovated. They have an indoor pool. They have a terraced whirlpool. They've got a games room, party room, media room, theater, which is the media room. They've got, of course, a wonderful concierge, great concierge services, and you're right at Yonge and Eglinton. There's a Starbucks right out the door. You walk to the subway. There's a Sephora down the way, very close. So you're going to need some makeup or anything like that. You know, there's Metro for groceries. There's Loblaws for groceries. You know, you're really close to everything. You really can't go wrong with Yonge and Eglinton. But what I love about this is that once you're up here, it's very quiet in here. You know, you're high above, you know, the activity down below. You can relax, you can just restore, and it's really a nice urban oasis. So tell me something, Cindy, is there anybody on this thing right now?
Oh yeah, we have Lawrence Mongo, I believe, is watching.
Oh, she's my friend. Hi, Lawrence. How are you? And that's it?
That's all I see at the moment. Maybe I missed it earlier.
That's okay, Laurence. That's good. You know, listen, the good news about these Facebook Live open houses is that I'm going to post this, so you'll be able to see this after. So that's the good thing about it. Anyhow, so here I am. I'm going to introduce myself again, just in case you come on late. It's Kim A. Miles, Sotheby's International Realty, and I am at 2181 Yonge Street in the Minto buildings right at Yonge and Eglinton. Built by Minto. The building is called Quantum South. There's also a Quantum North. We're in unit 2801, and it's a 667 square foot, one bedroom condo. And let me take you around. So here we have, when you walk in, and actually I want to say this is a corner unit, right? So when you come in from the hallway, you're actually entering into a corner unit. We have a nice storage closet here, coat closet. I love these really thick, solid doors. I see so many condos that, like, you touch the door and it's like so flimsy. This is really nice and solid. So nice size storage closet. We've got a custom glass backsplash in the kitchen. It's really quite pretty. It's got like small little green subway tiles. And we have granite countertops. We have stainless steel appliances. We have a nice undermount sink. I like undermount sinks. I like them because, you know, the water doesn't splash out all over the place. As I said, stainless steel appliances. We have a double door LG refrigerator, microwave above the stove, and a built-in dishwasher. So coming into the unit, if you look from here, you see a nice, it's just a nice flow in here. It's a beautiful flow. I love the angled window at the end. I think that's a really nice feature. That's just like the architecture of the building, the way it was built. Minto's a very, very good builder. I think they're based out of Ottawa. They're an excellent builder. And stepping into here, we have the washroom. It's a three-piece washroom. And my client, actually, he opted when he bought this, he's an original owner. When he bought this, he chose to have a shower instead of a bathtub. And I find that a lot of people now, they don't really want bathtubs. People don't really have, I like baths personally, but some people don't like baths. So that really appeals to today's buyers, not having a bathtub. So come on, it's a nice, bright, sunny. The other thing we have, I want to point out, is this is custom built in. So my guy, he lived here by himself. So he's got these really nice thick custom built-ins for shelving, and he's got his one chair here for his breakfast bar. But he's also got a chair over there. So if you had a guest, you know, you could have the one here at the end and one here, and then you still got custom storage. This of course could be taken out. That's fine. He's got his dining table here. Really cool guy. My client is the best. He's so cool. As you can see, he's got a great modern, very kitschy kind of eccentric vibe in here. He's got really nice things in here. It's pretty easy to get distracted because everything is so cool. I love this. So
We have Tanya of Rumen.
Tanya, now that's one of my clients. Hi Tanya, nice to see you. I did this for her condo not very long ago. Her townhouse. Yeah,
Awesome.
yeah. This is the age of COVID. We're doing Facebook Live open houses. It's all new for us. And so it's kind of a learning curve for us realtors, and I'm really enjoying it because I like to have fun. I don't think I do it perfectly, but I like to have fun with people and engage with people. Again, we're at 2181 Yonge Street. The maintenance fees are $492, and they include everything but your hydro and your water. So those are separately metered. And the taxes are about $2,500 a year. And so come with me. Yeah, did everybody see the washroom? Yeah? You saw Blondie in there? I'm wearing my 80s outfit today, just in honor of Blondie. There she is. There we go, there we go. Okay, washer dryer are right here. Again, we've got the nice thick solid doors. And I like this because you know what? It's not just, sometimes you see a washer dryer fills the entire unit. In this case, we've got room for storage. He's got his laundry basket there. You've got like your towels. You've got like more storage here. So, hang a little piece of art in the laundry room. He's got an umbrella bag there. He's got brooms in there. So it's really good for storage. But just so you know, we do have parking and locker here. So if you have like a bike, if you ski, you've got a place to store that. If you have a great big Christmas tree, you have a locker for that. So come on down here. And I don't know if I mentioned, these are Brazilian cherrywood floors. Also an upgrade in the unit. I love that. I love the fact that there's like they create interest because they're not all the same. The pieces are not all the same length. There's different coloring. It's a bit lighter over here, a little bit darker here. We've got shorter pieces. I love that because it really it's like a texture almost. It creates a lot of interest. Let's come into the master bedroom. So this is our master. We haven't gone onto the balcony yet, but you can see we overlook the lovely balcony, which is this is a southeast facing exposure. Really, really bright in here, really bright. You know, today's kind of a half cloudy day and it's still really bright in here. Nice closets, lot of them. Take a look at my client. Look at my client, how neat and organized he is. And he didn't need any coaching from me, I have to say. Usually I coach people.
Wow.
No coaching at all.
That's amazing.
I know. He's just like, this is just how he lives. And you can, you know, this speaks to the pride of ownership, right? This is how he looks after his unit.
Absolutely.
His condo, his home. And then on this side again, so we've got lots of storage space. Even these are great. You know, usually there's flimsy, some of these in these newer condos. This is not the case. Let me close this up. Okay, so let's go on to the balcony now. Once again, we've got this angled window. Love the angled window.
Nice sitting area.
Nice sitting area, nice living room.
Look
you know,
outside.
There's enough space with the dining room, the living room. Like it's nice the way that, you know, this is like the rooms are kind of separated, but it is all open concept. So let's step onto the balcony.
Woo!
I know, isn't this nice?
Awesome.
I'm scared of heights okay. Even though, you know, the railing is glass, so which is nice because it brings the light in, so you're not really closed off at all. You have light coming everywhere. So now this is the south. We're overlooking Davisville Village. Nice homes. So it's a southeast view.
Great view.
Yeah, usually you can see the lake, but it's kind of, you can still see it, but it's a bit hazy today. It's a bit humid and hazy. We had rain earlier, but no more.
Yeah, I feel the sun.
I feel the sun too. And then we've got some of the buildings. Again, Yonge and Eglinton. We're at Yonge and Eglinton, one of the the premier center hubs of the city. It used to be affectionately known as Young and Eligible. I don't know if they still call it that, but that's because it's a young area.
Right.
And there's a the restaurants around here. If you want any type of cuisine, you can find it at Yonge and Eglinton. There's a Sephora, the Yonge and Eglinton Center's there. There's 2 cinemas. Whenever those cinemas open, that remains to be seen. However, if you end up going to the movies post-COVID, you'll be able to go very close. There's Loblaws, there's Metro, all kinds of services, Shoppers Drug Mart, everything possible. I actually get my hair done up the street here. There's hair salons, there's nail bars, like whatever you want, it's here. And the subway is right there, and also the future LRT along Eglinton. So that's something that it's a light rail transit. It's being built. I think it's going to be ready maybe 2022, maybe now. It's been a bit delayed. It's going to cross the city along Eglinton. So that either makes this area more desirable or it's going to increase property values because it really is a hub. What I also love about this unit is that we're on the 28th floor, so we're kind of, we're the action is there, but we're up here. Let's go inside. A little more quiet there. So we're on the 28th floor. So as you can see, Cindy just closed the door. It's really, really quiet in here. It's really an urban oasis. You have anything you want down below, 28 floors down. But now we're up here. It's quiet. It's serene. It's a place to call home. And I'm so thankful that you've all joined. And I hope you have a great day. And I think we're done now. So I'm going to post this later if you haven't seen it. You can share it with your friends. And have a great weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.